Good morning, boys and girls. This will be our lesson 5 video. This video is for those of you that need to go back and review or would just like to view the video if you weren't able to join us live. So, Module 4, Lesson 5, and our objective today is identify 10 more, 10 less, 1 more, 1 less than a 2-digit number. So again, working with a 2-digit number. So for instance, if we had the number 32, 32 is made up of 3 and 2. That's a 2-digit number. So they're wanting us to do 10 more, 10 less, 1 more, 1 less than a 2-digit number. So our target for today is I can name a number that is 10 more, 10 less, 1 more, and 1 less than a 2-digit number. So our application problem is, as you can see, it's an RDW. So we're going to read it, draw it, write it. So Lee has 4 pencils and he buys 10 more. Kiana has 17 pencils and loses 10. Who has more pencils now? So use drawing words and number sentences to explain your thinking. So we're going to do drawings for Lee and Kiana. Lee has, let me move my face here. Okay. Lee has 4 pencils and buys 10 more. So when we say more, we're adding. So he buys 10 more. So what would be our number sentence for this drawing here? He had 4, he bought 10 more. Well, we could say 4 plus 10 equals, what is 4 plus 10? 4 plus 10 is 14. So we could say 4 plus 10 equals 14. There's our number sentence. So how many pencils does Lee have? Lee has 14 pencils altogether. So moving on to Kiana. Kiana had how many pencils? How many pencils in the beginning? She had 17. So there's 17 pencils. She gave or lost 10. So if you say gave away or lost or less, it's always going to be a subtraction problem, right? Because you're taking away some. So she gave away, lost 10 pencils. So how many, if we're talking about less, then we know it's going to be a subtraction problem. So what number would go first in our subtraction problem? Well, the beginning number. The beginning number was 17. She took away 10. So 17 minus 10, how many does she have left? 7. Because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pencils. So Kiana has 7 pencils altogether. So the RDW asked, who has the most pencils now? Well, Lee has 14 and Kiana has 7. So who has the most pencils now? Lee. Lee has 14. Okay, here's our concept development. It says to draw 15. So there's 15. I didn't mean to do that. There's 15. So how many 10s? Well, I accidentally clicked. So there's how many 10s? Because we look here and we see, boom, 1, 10. So how many 10s in 15? 1. How many 1s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 1s. So we put that in our place value chart. So we're going to do 1 more than 15. What would be 1 more than 15? Do we add a 10 or do we add a 1? Well, it says 1 more. It doesn't say 110 more. It says 1 more. So we're just going to add 1 more. What is 1 more than 15? Well, we know this is 15 if we count on from 15 with 1, 15, 16. Okay? So from 15 to 16, we added one more. I'm going to use an arrow to show where we added the 1. I did this backwards. Boom, there's the arrow showing where we added the 1. So when we fill out our place value chart now, we know we have 1 10 and 6 1s. Well, if we look at both of these place value charts, what changed between these two place value charts? Well, we can look at the tens place and we see that it's still 1. We look at our ones place. Ooh, that's what's changed. Since we added 1, our ones place changed from 5 to 6. Okay? So, here's the number 15 again. We're going to write it into our place value chart like we did in the previous slide. How many tens? 1. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. Okay, what is 10 more than 15? See, it's not saying 1 more, it's saying 10 more. What is 10 more than 15? Well, we need to add a what? A 1 or a 10? It says a 10. 10 more. So we add a 10. So I'm going to write the new number on the place value chart to show 10 more than 15. Well, what is this number here? Now, 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25. So what place changes? The tens place from 1 to what? How many tens are in this drawing now? 2. So 2 tens, 5 ones. Okay. Now we're going to move on to our problem set. It says 1 more than 30 is. Well, look at the drawing. 1 more than 30. So it has 10, 20, 30. It's showing you the arrow way, adding 1. There's the 1 that they added. So if we count 10, 20, 30, 1. 31. Okay? And then problem set number 8. It's saying 10 more than 28 is. Well, there's that word, more. 10 more. So we're adding, because it's saying more, means you have to add. So we're adding a 10 or 1? A 10. 10 more. Well, there's our 10. So 10 more than 28 is what? 10, 20, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 38. 10 more than 28 is 38. Okay, 10 less than 40 is. Ooh, read your vocabulary. Pay attention to those words. 10 less than 40. So when we hear the word less, we know that we are taking away, we are subtracting, we are lessening. 10 less. So we're taking away how many? 10. So cross that out. How many are left? What is our new number? Well, 10, 20, 30. 10 less than 40 is 30. Correct. So that is the slide for today. Let me get in here and show you guys your problem set. So this will be your work for today. You're going to go in, you're going to type in your name, and then there's only 5 problems on this problem set for today, guys, so it's pretty simple. So you're either going to select the correct statement for the picture, or you're going to select the correct drawing and statement for the picture. Okay, there's only 5 problems there. Fill those out, select the correct answer, and then click submit. So that is all that we have for today's lesson, and I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're staying warm in this snowy weather, and hopefully we get to see more of you on the live tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye. I can stop the recording. Now I'll say bye.